In this tutorial, I'm going to show how you can change alt text fonts and alt text at once in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have several texts here and they all have a different font, as you can see at the right side in the properties window. And if I want to change the fonts of text all at once, what I can do is I don't have to select the text I want to change. I can go to the graphics and titles window here and then choose replace fonts in projects. And then here we can see all the fonts I'm using at the moment. And let's say I want to change this Myriad Pro. I then select it here and I can choose a replacement font, which I want to use to replace it. And I press OK. As you can see, it has now changed it. And you can do this for all your fonts at the same time. So let's all change them in the same. They are all changed into the same font at once. And now if you want to change the look of your text, you can select all the texts you want to change, and then in the properties window, which if it isn't visible, you can go to window and then choose properties. Here, whatever you change will be changed with all your selected text at once. So let's say I want a different color. As you can see now, it already changes. Everything you select here will change together at once when you change it in the properties panel. And if you want to change all your fonts, you can go to graphics and titles and then replace the fonts in your project. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative and I hope to see you in the next one.